Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Motorola Thinkphone device, and now I'm gonna show you how to record calls on this phone. So, firstly, I need to tell you that your smartphone has a built-in feature to record calls. You can find this feature in settings under block number. But as you can see, I have not this feature here. It's because in European Union, laws of European Union prohibits to record calls. So because of it, I have not this feature here, and all smartphones in UE has no feature of call recording here. But if you live in the other countries, if you live in I don't know, China, in India maybe, you can have this feature here. But if you have not this feature here, you can use third-party applications. I suggest use Cube ACR. Find this app and click install. Click open. Next, grant permissions while using allow. Enable app connector, Cube ACR, enable allow. Okay, go it, allow, yes. While using, click on the cross in the left top corner, and great. Now open, I don't know, open this menu when you can switch between applications. Click on Cube ACR icon and click App Info. Then scroll down, find battery here, and choose here unrestricted. Because if you will restrict battery usage, this app will not work in background. But we need to this application work in background. That's great. Now all your calls will be automatically recorded, and then you will find these apps here in Cube ACR application. So great. That's it. And of course, you need to know that if you have no root access on your device, this app will not able to record your voice and voice of your communication partner. So if you want to, because this app can record sounds only from this microphone. So if you want to record, your voice and the voice of your interlocutor, you need to enable speaker mode. If you have no root access, if you have root access, this app will be able to record your voice from the internal speaker too. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.